trying to put the new fairings on the Ninja 650, and Kawasaki for some reason has felt the need to make it extremely difficult. So I'm having a great time right now. They also, for some reason, essentially put this brake sensor that I need access to because the brake lights aren't coming on behind this piece of metal that you can, from what I've seen, only take off by removing this, which holds the entire swing arm. So just to get to that easily, you basically have to take the bike in half, which I don't get. I love Kawasaki bikes. They look great. Hate working on them. So right now, I'm working on this. Just using some sandpaper. I'm gonna try to get this to look as good as I can. There's not too much I can do because that's kind of deep in there. But I'm going to at least sand it a little bit, try to get it look a little bit better, and then respray over it with some paint, give it a touch up to make it look better. And then I'm going to put the rest of the fairings on. But I did finally get this piece in, which was a huge pain, but I got it. Gotta be careful of the reflection. I'm just gonna cut that out. But yeah, I don't have to, but I'm choosing to try to make that look a little bit better. Then I'm gonna put the rest of it back together. We'll see how it looks. So I've hit it a few times with a couple layers. As you can see, it looks a little bit better, but it's still kind of rough right here. I think it's because of the conditions. I don't think they're very good for this because it's dark, it's kind of windy, and it's also raining. It's also 40 degrees, so I don't think it's exactly the best conditions to be painting in. So I'm probably gonna have to try it again a different day. So now I'm just working on putting the fairings together into one piece, and then I'll put it onto the bike, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I just finished the review video I did on this bike. So if you watch that, I just explained how I'm possibly selling this tomorrow. I said in the description on it about how it doesn't have brake lights, how they're not working right now. The whole time I was focusing on this over here because I thought the switch for the brake light wasn't in the correct position, like wasn't adjusted properly. So I thought that was the only problem. I spent a lot of time trying to get that position properly, and it never seemed to change or work or do anything. Till finally, I came back here and I realized that this blue wire here goes in the middle of these three, and it plugs in there. What I found out was it was loose, kind of, not fully in the connected part properly, so it's got a loose ground, which is why the brake lights aren't lighting up, unfortunately, which, like I said, I explained in the description of it. It just needs crimped and put on properly, which I don't have the tools to do. So they're aware of it, but it's a very easy fix. Like I said, I just don't have the stuff to do it. A little annoyed I spent so much time down here when it was really just this wire. But yeah, I'm just glad I finally figured it out. I should have gotten, this is kind of where I got to with making that look better. I just cleaned it earlier. I should have taken more videos of like swapping the fairings out and stuff like that, like working on it. But kind of fumbled that again. Didn't really get to it, but if I do another project bike, I don't plan on doing one soon just because I got a lot of stuff going on, so it wouldn't really be the best time. But if I do another one, I'm going to try to do better on like showing the process and updates and stuff. But yeah, this has been my Ninja 650. I definitely prefer working on Yamaha over Kawasaki. Kawasaki has always been more difficult, but I love the bike overall. It was definitely fun. Just not working on it. I hope the person that buys it really enjoys it whenever that does get sold. And I'm hoping to do a new bike here soon just because I really like working on them. It gives me something to do and it's fun and I like learning. So hopefully I can get another project bike soon. But for now, I'm just going to stick with riding around on the R6. And maybe I'll come across something soon. I'm not sure. But yeah, it wasn't too bad overall. Pretty fun process. I learned a little bit about brakes and brake lights and everything. And yeah, I hope the video was enjoyable. Sorry I didn't get a whole lot, but it's a learning process. I'm trying to get better as I go. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.